everybody, welcome back to Cute Claws with Kelly. So today's video is just more or less showing you all the December 2020 Sparkle & Co. I Want It All subscription bag. This one is themed to waking up in Vegas, and I thought it was perfect for New Year's. Now, I never got around to using it for a New Year's mani. I had just done my Christmas mani like a couple days before Christmas hit, and you guys know I like to wear out my manis as long as I can. So I wanted to get a video up on here just to show you all what all I got in this sub bag. Also, because my birthday is in December, I received this little birthday present, if you will, from Sparkle & Co. And when you sign up for the subscription bags, and you give all your information for your account or whatever, it will ask you, your birthday month so that they can send you a little free gift. So they sent me this really cute little birthday card and then this gorgeous dip powder color. And I think it's so nice of them to do that. They don't have to do it. They choose to. I think it's great, and it was definitely a surprise. I guess I kind of forgot that I would be getting something, and it came with my subscription bag. So yeah, definitely a nice little surprise. This Birthday Fierce is awesome. I have not tried it out yet, but I just love the sparkle of it. I love all of the colors in there, the different size glitters. I think it looks really, really fun. So I'll definitely have to figure out something to do with that soon. And then getting into the products that came in the sub bag. So I have the I Want It All subscription. It's one of the more pricey ones, as you guys have heard me say before, but you really do get a lot, and it's a lot of bang for your buck. And I really appreciate all of the different dip powder colors, and I've actually stopped buying a lot of products just because I'm getting so much from my subscription bags. The bulk of the dip powders are in these smaller mini dip jars, but still, I mean, it's definitely expanding my collection, and I love that they're all themed, so they go really well together. I've already seen a lot of pictures out on Instagram and on Facebook for Sparkle & Co. Where ladies have done a bunch of different manis with these colors, combining them in different ways, and yeah, they all look great. They're all super cute. So I definitely am going to continue to get my subscription bags from Sparkle & Co. But yeah, let's get into these colors. So this first color is like a sparkly pink color, and high rollers and high heels. I think that's really cute. I don't normally wear hot pink colors, but I think that this one would be perfect for summertime. And then also they gave me a larger jar of clear, which I really appreciate, because if you're like me and you build up your nail in clear and then always do the clear encapsulation, then you're going through clear pretty quickly. So I really appreciate them giving me some clear. And then here's another sparkle from them. I really like this one too. I can't wait to try this one out. I was thinking of maybe trying this with an ombre, just on the tip of the nail, blame it on the disco. So really looking forward to using that one probably soon in one of my upcoming uploads later this month. Okay, so now we got this purple color. This does not have any shimmer to it. It's just kind of like a flat VIP status purple color. And I like purple. I mean, I didn't have a purple like this already, so I think that this will fit nicely in with my collection. And probably there's a gel polish that they gave me, which I'll get to showing a little bit later, that has a bunch of different colors in it, and I think it would work well with that. It would work well with this one too, actually, because this has some purple glitters in it. But yeah, this one's really cute too, waking up in Vegas. So kind of the whole theme of this sub bag is Waking Up in Vegas, so that's the star color right there, I would say. And then this is the I Want It All color, so you only get this if you're subscribed to that level of sub bag. So yeah, this one is definitely green. I like this one a lot too. Bottle Service Babes. All right, here we go. Okay, so let's see what's next. Now I'm going to get into this little package where they put all kinds of little fun things in here. So you can see we've got the stickers, some decals, the little card of information, and then those little cutouts that they give you depending on what the theme is. I've got some gel polish colors here. Here's the little deck of cards that they give, which is like the present, the gift. And then we've got some more swatch sticks. Here's the gel liquid of the month, and then they've got a regular nail polish in there too. So one other thing I don't want to forget, that because I didn't show it here on camera, one of the other gifts that they gave in addition to the cards was a little air pump, a pink little air pump for blowing up some balloons, and the balloons they gave were 2021 to celebrate the new year. So I forgot to take a picture and post that here for you all to see what that looked like. The balloons were like a metallic pink, and they were pretty big. They were like, I mean, I'm 6 foot tall, and they were probably, I would say, at least, 4 feet, maybe 3 feet, something like that. They were big, and I did blow them up and hang them up in my house for New Year's Eve, which was really fun. But here's that regular nail polish color, Jackpot, the gold. I love it so much. I have not yet tried regular nail polish on my nails, because I know there can be issues when you use regular nail polish underneath like a gel top coat. When it cures, it can cure wrinkly, and I have not played around with that, but I do wear the regular nail polish on my toes, so I really like that. The gel liquid of the month was this Sparkle & Co. Gel Protect. So I wasn't really sure what that was. I had to go and do some research on their website, and from what I can tell, it's supposed to have your gel manicure last a little bit longer, so you would utilize that after your gel base coat. If you're doing like a full gel manicure, you do your gel base and then a layer of gel protect and then your top coat, or I guess your color and then your top coat. I think I have the order right. It might be the base, the color, the gel protect, and then the top coat, but in any sense, it's supposed to help with the like the lasting of your manicure and it staying really shiny. And so I will definitely be giving that a try here soon. Now these are the gel polish colors. As you can see, I had a little bit of a mishap here. I'm not sure which one of these opened, but it ended up getting goop all over the place. I open up my package like when I first get it because I'm just so excited by the nail mail. And so it was wrapped a little differently than you saw me open up here. It was like actually in this little bubble wrap envelope, and I knew I was gonna have to like clean this all up later, so I didn't stuff it back into the envelope all the way. I just kind of set it in there and wrapped it up. But yeah, I'm gonna just take some alcohol to this and clean up each of these bottles since they're all sticky with one of these gel polishes. Like, again, I can't really tell. It looks like just a little bit seeped out. And it's not a big deal. I don't think I lost a whole lot of product or anything like that. And then it didn't get all over everything. It was literally just all over these 3 bottles. And then after I cleaned it up and opened the bottles to clean up the threads of the neck of the bottle, I laid them on their sides just to make sure that it wasn't going to continue to leak, and it didn't. So I'm not sure, just a little fluke thing that sometimes happens when your products are in the mail and going through the shipping process. Here are those little cute cutouts that I was talking about before. So I have these sitting on my office desk just because I think they're cute. I'm going to look at them for a month until I get the new ones. And I do that every time. And then here are some nail decals or stickers. And so I have not played around with stickers on my nails before, but I've watched a few YouTube videos on how to do that. I'll probably, try this out in a little while. And then here's the information card for the subscription bag itself. So everything it comes with, the contest information, the theme, and then on the other side is where they've got, the thank you, the information about the referral program. And then if you want the exclusive colors access, it comes with a password there. So yeah, definitely a really great informational card that you get with every single subscription. And then here is the money shot. So these beautiful cards, this deck of cards that they sent, it is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I was just blown away when I opened these cards up. They are just beautiful. They're almost too pretty to play with, but we do enjoy playing cards here and there when we have family over, so I'll probably be really careful with who I let play with these cards, but they're just too pretty to keep them in the box all the time. And then I thought that this was cool. It's like a little certificate that says that this is, real gold foil that are on these cards. And just look at how gorgeous they are. Oh my gosh, especially the royal cards. Oh my, they take my breath away. This was a really, really fun subscription bag to open. Just the whole waking up in Vegas theme. I can't. It's so much, all that bling to take in. Oh my gosh, the back of the cards. Whew, girl. Yes, this was awesome, and I love it. I totally love it. I want to look at these cards every single day. Oh my goodness. So anyways, I'll let you know how it goes when we play with those cards, and I'll let you know what kind of feedback I get from the people I play cards with, because I'm sure that they're going to knock their socks off too. So just going back through and showing all of the swatch sticks. So starting with that first one that I got for my birthday as the birthday present. And then I'm going to just put all of the dip powders together, all of the gel polish swatches together, and then finally that last one, which is a regular nail polish, the Jackpot, the gold one. So I'm just laying them out for you all to see, and then I'm trying to start thinking about how I might pair these together. But yeah, it was really fun sub bag to open, and I really love the surprise of it all, because you never know what you're gonna get. At least, I know that there are some spoilers out there, on the Facebook page and stuff. I try to not look at that stuff because I really do want to be surprised by what's coming in the mail for me. And I don't want that surprise to be spoiled. But I think that they did a really good job, pairing all of these different colors together. And it's gonna be really fun to do some waking up in Vegas manicures, I think. So I guess, let me know down below in the comments if you subscribe to Sparkle & Co., if you love getting your subscriptions just as much as I love getting mine, what your favorite part is, what level of subscription do you get in when you do the subscription thing, because there are so many different levels depending on how much you want to spend and what kind of products you want to get. Here I'm just trying to think about how I would pair some of these colors together, like I said, for upcoming manis. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.